You can't manage it?
Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to another vlog. Where they up on the ground, you know the thing go. I started that way, you know. Just in a bed, not eating a brush, nothing. We just a roll over. We're about to head out, touch upon the Ochi side, aka down St. Mary, you know me I say. I gotta link up some of my family members. I've been here for a while now, still in Jamaica. You know what I say? So for all those who've been wondering if I say there, I'm there, man. You see me just been low-key, handling a lot of business on the island. But without further delay, we'll jump out of bed and do the right thing. So forward now, man. Bring you along the day I say it start, though. Some man are forward and early morning. Vlog start, you know.
It's early,
You know the green. Yeah, man.
Check in, you see me?
Yeah.
Check out.
Nah, check out. You know the vibes go.
Yeah, people, we are going to the watch it today. You see me go? Link up some family member and just deal some business and see, you see me, so stay tuned, watch and see what I want. We are getting ready now for head out. Just wake up, go like to be and everything ready.
I bet. I bet. We put up not to brush
oh. I go a quick fresh and
6:30 now.
Yeah, 6:30. So when time we have to touch out, and I go see where I go on. So once stay tuned and watch where I go on.
So yeah, on the way now to Ocherius. Don't know. Brother then I cut, you know me I say. Then for the round for the back I go on easy and I play 2 games.
People there, youth.
Yeah man, you know the thing work already, man. People like come on listen. Yeah man, so I head down at Ochi. I go pick up one of our cousins same way. And then do the journey and make them see what I go on. As I say, we haven't vlogged for a while, but I've been here in Jamaica deal with some business. Now that that is sorted, we're back to the vlogs again. You see me, so you guys been enjoying all of the vlogs so far. So here again, we just drop some more vlogs on the head top. You see me? Whole heap of vlogs, man. We are going to go all over the park, the country, man, and that are the aim, you know. You see me, go all over the country. So leave some comments and make we know what is it exactly that you would love to see us vlog and what areas you would like to see us visit. Where are some of the places that you haven't been, especially if you're living overseas and you haven't been to Jamaica for a long time? What is a place or where are some of the places that you would like to see? Leave them below and we'll try to visit them. You see me? Mad. So yeah, we're there down here, you know, in the place. So my nephew right as a brother. We're going to link up with grandmother, which is his great grandmother. Making great grandmother meeting big grandson, you know? Great grandson.
What's one?
We're calling us again Harry Watch. You know the Dragons. Could show you a file. Place nice, Panil, you know? Tired of fret. Eh? You're not tired? So you used to then sitting here. I'm burn off the chassis. Yeah, man, the hill are nice out. So there we go. Head out now. You mind the camera? You like the pan? Yeah, man, see it, you know. Vlog. I'm a cousin this I said, you know the thing work. Mad. Cousin now there in that place. Little cousin the same way. Not true? Oh, it go. Face quite nice. This is my grandmother, you know, 85. See, eh? My grandmother is 85-year-old. So she nice and strong. Yeah. This is my father, mother. Nice and strong, man. Go look for your grandmother. I go head out, go look for your uncle now, so big up. Yeah, man. Yeah, so don't know grandmother, but it's a nice prayer for we. Go in at the Ochi, just go and drop off a cousin. He's a big porter at the hospital. Come drop him off a while ago and bring in everybody are going at the center here, Ochi side. You see me? Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. I have to link up with the family now. You see me? I never really put them on camera as much. Should I put that prayer them, I tell you. Grandmother drop a piece of prayer for him, man. That's the realest thing. Big her up, you see me? Father, they ever love him mother, so father passed almost 20 years now. Still have to extend the love and show to him mother, cause that's something his mother want to see it. Yeah, so we're out here like all the time. See if trouble upon the gravel, you know the thing go. We are going to head out now, see? Mad. So we tap out on the gas station and pull up on some gas. And I probably know what that's still. So they have to cool oasis. Get some gas and Kristen aside, you see me? Yeah. So all who familiar with Kristen at our school over there, it's a Sacred Heart School. Yes, it's out there. Yeah man, so we are heading to Ochi right now. Up on the Miami Bay stretch, look over there, so the nice Caribbean Sea, beautiful and blue. 5 more minutes from outside of Ochi. I'm going to show you what the town looks like for all those who haven't seen the town in a long while, you see? Yeah, so big up, watch your journey. Over there, what that's with the family now. It says on the Miami Bay stretch, you have a new KFC Pizza Hut. Nice plaza. They call it out, so they have a nice plaza out there, so man. Knoxford Express, the whole yard. As I say, KFC across here. You have Pizza Hut and Starbucks. Comment and let me know what this area is. This is my first time seeing it. It's well developed. It's on the way heading into Ochi, just outside of Ochi, like 10 minutes. Nice, man. And I'm brethren, Raja. You know Raja? Raja, they beg me get him. Raja, they beg me to get him something from Starbucks, like a Jamaican Starbucks cup. So I'll get that right now. You see it? So inside, look. Good afternoon. Yeah, so Starbucks are nice. They're nice one. Yeah, so I try to get a cup. You must spooky. I'm brethren, Raja. Just inside, grab a mug. I'm grabbing a mug for my friend Raja. His family connect Starbucks come from all over the world. So I'm just getting them one as a gift. So the Starbucks cup. And of course the Jamaican. This one is already closed, so I'm grabbing this. Yeah man, the Starbucks inside here nice. You see all the ceiling them? High. Inside I look good, man. But I'm not really drink Starbucks coffee, so you know what I say? Yeah. I'm going to show you what the KFC look like in a minute. Respect. Manners. First time I try Starbucks. Me a vlog, you a vlog me. Go on the road, eh?
First time,
yeah, well, you know, order already? You order already? Okay. Oh, that nice son, hot door. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. They said this open in January. The building them nice. Yeah, man. It look nice. See that? Oh, God, man. That look nice, so. You have the Pizza Hut, the Starbucks, now the KFC. Yeah, man. Dining room closed. You can walk, yes, sir? Pull me, see something smoking. Go on in, go on in. Yeah, nice man. Morning. Sanitize? Yeah. Come in. Yeah, nice. Girl in a green thing. Yeah. I will order some food I know.
Alright then.
Come close.
Okay.
Okay. Come closer.
So come close, young man, because
Come
it's
over
all
here. Come
about
over here.
coming to the sun. Let them see all of this, yeah. Because this is about Break Barriers Caring Hands. A project on the island of Jamaica. We say when you get all of your call, we not take you out of your house. We come into your home, we deliver the services. You saw the sun nice and bright. You don't need to sit beside your TV. We can carry you out to enjoy the sun, the sea, and everything else that come with it. Break Barriers Caring Hands at BBCH, at Break Barriers CH. You'll find us anywhere.
I tell him my name as well.
Andreen Lewis Longway, New Kingston, you'll find us. But if you got Break Barrier CH, you'll find all the details that you need. We've been on the island since COVID, 2000, and we're pushing, 2020. We do things for you, yeah?
So yeah, as I say, we are heading at Ochi right now. And we just buck up on a few loyal supporters and we just pull over. And as she tell you before, she provide a service that is not so common in Jamaica. So if you have a loved one who is getting up in age, you don't want anybody to ill-treat them, they come to your mobile service to your home. So give them a support, you know the thing though. And they support Maritime cooking, and they support Maritime family. So I have to show the support just to see them down. Yeah man, big up.
Break Barriers Caring and BBCH is the tagline you need.
Yeah.
Hook us up online, yeah? Service guaranteed. Respect my
You're welcome. Thanks for your support. You want to use your phone? You want a picture? Manners and respect.
Walk good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man.
Yeah?
Alright. I have social media too.
Oh, yeah, man. Break Barriers Caring
Just
and
shoot, you know my Instagram,
everything
right?
there.
You can tell her.
Across.
She tag me with
Respect.
Yeah.
BBCH.
The support today, you know, so I have to show it back same way.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You
Yeah,
know
man.
I'm shy still, but I him a help. He makes so much people know same way. So
Of
each
course.
one show one,
Yeah,
you know?
man.
Yeah,
Each
man.
one
I
preach
think
one,
we-
each one teach
Yeah.
one, each one share one, and we all for that, yeah?
Manners, brother.
Alright, manners. Take care, yeah? Alright. Yeah man, so this is a flyer. This is a good service for anybody out there. Hey, the food take long, you guys?
Yeah, man. Long one.
This is a good service for anybody out there who you don't want to send your family members to the nursing home. This is a great place to send them. Want we eat inside? Want eat inside, man? We can't eat inside? Yeah, man. You come in, guys. We can eat there, man. Eat. You have a key, Smokey? You have a key? Nah, eat this tomorrow, right? Some chicken. I'm from tomorrow. I'm hungry.
Going to the gym tomorrow, go burn off a wallet. I'm going to drink one Starbucks coffee, so.
Yeah. Rims. Dropping on one dirty patrol, you know, today. Dropping on a bad patrol. So probably it's a slow leak, a bit. But gotta carry the car still. Alright. So there, countryside, whole heap of jelly coconut and all these things, you know. Link up my auntie and my uncle. Yeah, man. Then I saw me there for a year before we got to Canada. You come here in 2018, so you know, this is that today. Be a vegetation, this is a nutmeg tree, you know. Yeah, man, I'm showing you the nutmeg them. Nice fresh nutmeg. See them here? Yeah man. Nutmeg tree, yeah? Okay, one. Yeah. Hey Joe. No man, this is the nutmeg tree, man. I broke them and I come back show now. See them here? Fresh nutmeg. Come in, yo. Breadfruit tree and all these things. What heap, we call them tree again, palm tree, coconut jelly. Yeah. I eat that, man. Go up a show now, I go on. Yeah, so not out, I see. Yes. Nice. Yes, man. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. How are you? I say please. Yo, what you trying to come on my side me, right? Where are you? So, oi, so. Yeah. I'll get you all of you. No.
Oh, you don't want me, alright?
Good evening. How would that? Carl Lee, I'm a friend. Alright.
I'm your cousin, a girl there?
Eh? Yes, no, sir. You know this man?
Oh, she don't know me.
Okay.
I'm your cousin, a girl there. I say, oh, baby. You got the same if you come over here.
How are you?
Nice seeing you.
Mommy? She didn't want to come, but she do some things.
Oh.
I know mommy always a wash, cook and clean, see you know. I say get tall. Hey, where look boy? Hey, come, at the water, Go. My little girl, don't get up. Where look girl?
They might come.
Okay. Yeah, maybe
Think I want you to your people. I think I want you to, but when you think I want you to your third.
just bring her up here, sir.
Let's see what I go on. That's a one, but I want you look young though. Now you? You can't manage it? They say gym at work. Ain't you see? They say gym at work. Great man.
And drag it down. And hooky and dry down. Hooky and dry down. But then one you're young,
Break,
not
took
that
it.
young one then.
I'm a break. Don't say so I rock back. I want you fine.
No, the wire them, they kind of run to it all.
Why you
One the
supposed
funny
to
top, sir? One of the, sir?
be? Yeah man, one did chop up me.
One probably the funny top.
I think I two you pick.
Let me not see.
I want they look healthy though.
Yeah, this have to go tie up, cause...
You hear that one there? Huh? So climb it in now. If you know how to climb it. You look like a soldier, you know. We're militant. You press it, people? No, that's soft one. See what the one is sick.
Machete long.
Chop off here, man.
Oh, there. Yeah, come on, can I know who my big brother? It's a full of basic name, man.
Coconut.
Eh?
No psycho. Adrian.
I try chopping my machete
No
dull.
psycho. Me better right.
Might not chop.
No psycho. Your chop is something like a. Well, you chamba this already, so me can manage at the part there. So.
This a full of basic name, at least a husk.
Yes, all of them have one house.
But that one is extra thick, so like coconut. So this one like coconut, so.
Yeah, man. The water, yeah, man.
Not bad.
The one of
We don't run panny, you know. Why you run panny so fast? Come on. Let me walk up, Carlis. Come on, run panny like I'm here and picky.
probably full so till probably not shake.
That one I feel like it's hard.
Mm.
The meat, yeah.
Thank you for my cook rice and peas.
This can't cook rice.
But you know porridge.
But yeah, I make porridge.
A jelly?
I they want the shower.
Jelly or coconut? I get some jelly, coconut. Make sure I record me in the brother. What you do?
Yeah, my man, you coconut picker. Go in front of me. And the man, you pick it for you last time, Juxi.
I'm not so as verse as you.
You Juxi?
Record spoke.
And you pick it for you last
Yeah,
time.
man.
Oh, I go on, bossy.
A one, make it down 5-3. Yeah, catch it?
Man, I know the mother. Oh, I just stick that.
Oh, yeah.
Right, this one. So yes, people, it's like country life, you see me? Apart from country, for Oliver, it's the next country this. Real country life.
Go on. First time I drink coconut water straight off 5-3.
Why would that be safe?
And the first thing in life, man.
I like it.
General, I do the thing for you. Nice.
Water? It's soft, man.
Alright, thanks. Hey, hey, boss, good punny, you know. Boss, no for deal with it, man. Yeah. Hey, the boss, good punny, you see?
Alright, look at that one.
Mm-mm.
I just look at that. Thank you, uncle. Look at that one.
Yes, yes. See there?
Yeah, boy, lift weights.
Sweetie.
Carry some more, Pops. Carry some more.
You cut the good shabba, man. Full of use more than me.
Portland man, this all look funny, remember me tell you.
Cut it neat. You're saying cut it neat? What you make here? Look for fish. I show the fish about one people. Look for me first. Come here. Dirty. You chop up.
And I never use my Christ and peace, huh? Never use my Christ and peace. No buy coconut, eh? You see? You want to carry coconut, you know, come back. Oh, go on and come back, boss. Alright, this you know. How my face bump up so bad you know, man? I'm ready. How that? You know what man go on my flag? Eh? We look at cousin this you know. Backside. Turn on the light when they call this.
Dog, get up.
Yeah man, get up. So my little cousin, you don't know a thing go. They're in our place. Big cousin in our back, see me. Sir Fitzroy, you know it go. Nephew in the back, smile cheeks, and Tyrone brother up on the front, you know what thing go. Yeah man. I head out there now.
I don't know if I vlog tomorrow.
I don't think look gloomy there so. Alright, Father God, keep on guard on the way to Manchester, you know it go.
To Manchester now.
What's your name?
Handbrake and now ramp you know.
Dog, now get up and gone, you know.
You get up man.
We must go spray that even when we take you and kill him, you know.
Alright my boss, guidance. Alright. Bring your home safe, Carlis. Are you that time?
The Caroline no mad.
Huh?
So Caroline no mad in 1 year.
Wait, your mother full name?
Caroline White.
Carol Dean.
Who names so?
So, at least it's a pet name.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
Can I go this?
Carol
Give me some
Dean
full-
White.
full- man.
Dean her name before marriage?
Mm-mm,
Ah, that's her
Caroline.
actual full
Caroline
name.
our first name, one
Okay.
name. Caroline Alicia White. So me get Caroline.
Elisa her middle name.
Your mother name so?
Yeah,
So she
yeah.
give her surname and take Uncle Danny name. It's a good look. The Uncle Conrad. Sorry, you Uncle Danny. Where's that come from?
No, she named Caroline Alicia.
Elisa her middle name. Oh, Russell.
So
Oh, she was
Alicia
Russell White. Okay. Yeah, man, tell her, like, at least one of the best in-law you can have. I swear, I don't know through your mother make me tell that, you know? She just treat Uncle Danny, Uncle Conrad family like a fear then. What you mean?
Auntie talk every day. You
What you
I
mean,
don't
man?
nothing bad I
No.
talk every day.
One, like, we can tell you that say Uncle Conrad get a good wife, a loving family like a fear family. That me I tell you. When me there yard, man, at least I treat me like her son. That me I tell you. You don't feel say me meet you know, and as my cousin and another act weird woman, no? When they treat me like me and a brother. Yeah, man. I mean, I call this at that party, you know. Lover. Hey, John! And he the little 10-year-old. Yeah, sir. And next time I fall in that place, Amanda got sent there in bed.
Who?
I am a little friend that I call his cousin.
Say what?
Amanda mother, no, if you see her, but she said she did just wake up.
What she did say?
She did just wake up at the time when she called Carly's. Amanda Aunt Lisa, mother, sister, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo, tell you, still on our way. We left out from 7:30 this morning, and it's almost 10:30 right now. So I tell you, we're close. Almost 10:30 right now. You see me, so stay far to over here, so because we were same place at corner, on hillside, the office there. Tyrone out there do the driving, you know. And my foot them tired. See, it's just a headache now. Yeah, man, so left you there around here, so can't see me knock out. Was a good looking Ochorio / St. Mary today, see it? So I just call it a night and do the right. So don't know, Tyrone. Yeah, man, the man chop a gully with the brother. I have a big old road so with nobody on it. Yeah, man, you say you don't know the thing going on. We are going to log off right now and go in and thing, you see it. So until next time, remember when you come here, what you see here, before you leave here, like, comment, subscribe and share. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. We are travel upon the gravel, so safe travel for we. And go and big up on yourself. Enough love.